You need to watch this if you struggle with snack craving. We've got the perfect solution. Air Fryer Cauliflower Bites. First up, let's take a look at what we need. Grab some fresh cauliflower, olive oil, garlic powder, smoked paprika, salt, pepper, hot sauce, and a sprinkle of parsley for that final touch. Now chop that cauliflower into bite-sized florets. Easy, right? Toss them in a bowl and drizzle with olive oil. Sprinkle on the garlic powder, smoked paprika, salt and pepper. Give it a good mix until every piece is well coated. Next, it's air fryer time. Preheat to 400 degrees Fahrenheit and pop those seasoned cauliflower florets in. Let them cook for 15 to 20 minutes, shaking the basket halfway through. Trust me, your kitchen is going to smell amazing. While they're crisping up, let's talk sauces. Want to add a bit of heat? Toss your hot cauliflower bites in some hot sauce and finish with fresh parsley. Boom! Flavor explosion, and there you have it. Delicious, crispy air fryer cauliflower bites. The perfect guilt-free snack for any time of day. Enjoy! Don't forget to subscribe for more healthy recipes. See you next time.